Alright, so let's talk about running an experiment inside of Webiva. You see we're here on the website page of the Evil Genius Robot Supply site, and we've clicked on the About Us page. So we've got this option here, Run an Experiment. Before we can actually run the experiment though, we need to have two different versions of the page that we can use to set up the experiment. So let's click on Edit Page to jump into the page editor, and you'll see we've got our text for our page. So in order to run an experiment, you need to have some sort of conversion page. So let's add some text here. So go to our shop to learn more. And so let's say that this was kind of our call to action that we're trying to get people to do. So let's insert a link, and so the goal is to have our About Us page direct people to our shop. That's what we're going to count as a conversion. So let's save this page, and now we're going to save a new version. Let's say a new minor version, and let's say different title. So we've created a new version of the page that we've given the name different title to, and we're going to try something different. So our shop is awesome. And so let's pick a heading, and let's hit Save Changes. So now we've got two versions of our page, version 1, version 2. Version 1 is still the active version of the page, but what we're going to do is jump back into our website structure, click on the About Us page, and now you'll see we either can edit our active or edit our newest, or run an experiment. So let's finally click that Run an Experiment, and let's say we want to call this experiment titled Test. So we're going to have two different versions, and we're going to have half of our traffic go to version 0.01, half of it go to 0.02, and we're going to say our shop page is our conversion page. If we just leave these blanks, it'll distribute it evenly. So let's click Submit. See, we've now have this experiment down here, all set up, ready to go. Click Start It Now, and we've got our experiment started. So now when people hit the About Us page on our site, they'll see one of the two versions of the page. They won't know that there's an experiment running. The URL will look the same, but we'll be able to see, how many people we're actually successfully directing to that shop page from our About Us page. Once you can see the traffic come in, you can decide which one you want to approve. So let's say we run this for a week or so and see that version 0.02 is working a lot better. We can just approve that, click OK, and you'll see the experiment is done running, and this is now our active version. All right, that's about it to run an experiment inside of Webiva.